Looking for dependable, rental-grade power that's built to perform in the toughest environments? Check out this Doosan G325 Tier 4 final diesel generator, available now at Power Generation Enterprises. This powerhouse delivers 260 kilowatts or 325 kilovolt amperes of continuous power at 480 volts, 3-phase, 60 hertz, making it an ideal solution for construction sites, emergency backup, data centers, industrial facilities, special events, and utility projects. Under the hood is the legendary Cummins QSL9-G9 turbo diesel engine, known worldwide for reliability, fuel efficiency, and long service life. Operating at 1,800 revolutions per minute, this engine is built to handle demanding applications while keeping operating costs low. With approximately 1,066 original hours, this unit is barely broken in and ready to go to work. Built to true rental-grade standards, the Doosan G325 features a rugged, sound-attenuated enclosure, heavy-duty lifting points, easy-access service doors, integrated fuel tank, and a user-friendly digital control panel for real-time monitoring and diagnostics. Need flexibility on the job site? The G325 offers multi-voltage capability. And because it's EPA Tier 4 final and CARB compliant, you get clean, efficient power that meets today's strict emissions requirements, including operation throughout California. Every generator at Power Generation Enterprises is thoroughly inspected and ready for immediate deployment. Call Power Generation Enterprises today at 818-484-8550 or visit powergenenterprises.com. Power Generation Enterprises, delivering reliable power solutions nationwide.